Hello everyone, and welcome to my garage. My name is Jeremy, and over the next series of videos I'm going to show you my new project. So let's take a look. This is my 1997 Defender 90. I just brought it here to Canada from Italy, and over the next few months I'm going to be restoring it to be hopefully better than new. So let's take a look. It's already been to the body shop, as you can see. Put a gray on it and a black, gloss black top. The accents that I'm going for are going to be all gloss black. So gloss black handles, a gloss black KBX grille. Right now all the lights and everything are pulled out, and this is my shop helper Sydney. Bumper bash guard all's come off. I'm going to get that all redone. I've got gloss black sawtooth wheels that are going to be going onto it. Take a look at the inside here. It's got the original seats in it right now. Those are coming out. I'm going to be doing a pair I got from LRI in England, the actual Land Rover, newer Puma Land Rover Defender seats that are heated, and then I'm doing the modification to the wheel wells to get the forward-facing Puma seats in there. So there's a fair bit of surgery that we got to do back there. Also, this bulkhead here will be coming out. Everything else right now is pretty stripped down. I've removed most of the stuff. I just got the truck on Friday, just a couple of days ago. I've got more to today. I'll be really just doing more tear down. The whole interior will be coming out because I want to get the metal work done first. So the modifications to these wheel wells for the Puma seats. And let's see, around to the side, we'll be putting some spacers on the wheels to come out, get a little bit bigger stance. And I've got the larger flares for the side of the wheel wells. From the underside, I'm going to have proper aluminum bash guards for both the tank and the front steering guard. And going to be going to a double din mud conversion kit for the dash. Right now it's just got a single din in there, and making room for the auxiliary lights and so on and so forth. These little speakers and all this junk is coming out, and we'll be putting a proper stereo in here. See if I can get a small subwoofer. I've seen a few people put them online, some subwoofers that fit these well, but if you know of any good ideas or where we can put them without taking up too much space, I encourage you to leave a comment below, so give me some guidance on the stereo. Anyhow, this is it. Hit subscribe down below if you want to keep getting notified of the new stages of this. I'm going to try to do a video for every significant stage I do, starting with the interior, the bulkhead removal, and then the modifications to the wheel wells. Anyhow, thanks. Glad you're along with me, and if you have any comments or suggestions, like I say, leave the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say.